Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And yesterday there was a Google Chrome update that's continuing to roll out. So they do say it will be rolling out to PCs in the next days and weeks. So if you go to your Google Chrome browser, upper right corner in the three vertical dots, Help, and About Google Chrome, you will be up to date to version 103.0.5060.66. What's in here? Bug fixes mostly, and a few changes in the under the hood, but no security fixes. So this is not a security update. It's really just bug fixes that they have implemented. And of some changes, I've seen that they've implemented a few changes in some of the settings within Google Chrome itself. So that's mostly what's happening with this. Somebody asked me last time that we had a bug fixing update, if bug fixing updates also apply to other Chromium based browsers. In general, they do, because a lot of the bugs are in the Chromium engine. So that means that to have a fix, to have something that works everywhere, they of course apply this on other browsers at some point. So it's not an urgent update, and it will anyways update automatically if you use Google Chrome every day. But it is just bug fixes. A pretty long list of all sorts of changes they have in the change log from what we see. I hate the Google change log for the Google Chrome when it's bug fixes, because they're very, very kind of spread out, and you got to find all the details within all the very long texts and different posts and information. But clearly this is bug fixes only. So as of today, June the 28th, 2022, Google Chrome is at version 103.0.5060.66. And that's, like I said, bug fixes only. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.